A law that can cost you your home hasn't found its way into the parliament yet, even after Supreme Court called it irrational and unjust 18 years back. It's called adverse possession, which means after 12 years, a person sitting on your private property can legally claim ownership to it. And here's how this plays out in Indian middle class homes. See, Article 65 of the Limitation Act states that if someone occupies your private property openly and continuously, even without any agreement or paying rent, and you don't file a case for 12 years, your right to recover that property legally ends. For government land, the same rule applies, but 30 years timeline. And this isn't some sort of loophole that exists, it's codified law. And three situations put you directly in its path. One, your parents' house you inherited is in another city. A caretaker moves in and starts calling himself the owner. You don't know him because you haven't visited in the last 8 years. Two, the ancestral land in your village. Well, the cousin who farms it doesn't exactly pay you any rent, and there is no agreement. 12 years of this is enough. Three, the investment flat you gave to a trusted family friend to watch. Well, they stopped picking up your calls 3 years ago. In all three cases, if you don't act immediately, the law ends your ownership, not takes it away, ends your right to fight for it entirely. Now, here's the part that should actually make you really angry. The Supreme Court has been saying this law is unjust for over 18 years. In 2008, it called adverse possession irrational, illogical, and wholly disproportionate. It actually asked the parliament to reform it. 18 years, no amendment bill, not by Congress, not by BJP, not a single politician. And think about it for a second, why not? Well, every other common law country, UK, Australia, Canada, has already reformed this. See, an Indian law written in 1963 to prevent land from staying idle now rewards someone who sits on somebody else's land longest. The law that should protect you has waited 18 years for parliament.